something that we need to do for all kinds of gameplay is having the idea of collectibles. So I'm going to do that right here. Collectible is just something that we can pick up. So I'm going to add an object that I can pick up. I'm going to go straight to my usual Pirate Bomb asset pack, and I'll just grab something, anything really that will be. So the idea of a collectible could be coins that you pick up, for instance, or it could be you pick up a coin to pick up a key to unlock something, or that kind of idea. So what should we pick up? I'm going to pick up some blue bottles. So add that to my scene, and I'm going to pick up a few of these maybe. Give it a second, close that, right. So drag a couple of these into the scene. Have a blue bottle there. I'll have 2 or 3 just to show that we can do more than one. So we do the collecting of the collectible in the event sheet, and it uses this idea of collisions, which is super important, super useful in all kinds of things. We're always doing collisions when we collide with anything else, when we collide with an enemy, when we collide with a wall, when we collide with a collectible or whatever. So collision, and so as big guy collision with blue bottle, click OK. Big guy collision with blue bottle. And all we're going to do for the moment is blue bottle, and we're just going to delete it. Delete the object. Now what we can also do is we can add things here. We'll come to that in a later video, but that could be like adding to your score or giving you a power up or whatever. So if I just preview this now, just to check that it works, don't see why it wouldn't. And you can use your imagination on different ways that you can utilize this in your game. So go and collect that one. Got it. Got it. Got it. Great.